ready for the morning assembly.
नहि ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रमिह विद्यते.
Knowledge is supreme and it's the key to success.
सर्वेभ्यो सुप्रभातः. इदानीं दिनं वयं सर्वे प्रार्थनागीतां च प्रारम्भन्ति.
Good morning everyone. We, the Sanskrit students of class 9C, are present here for this morning assembly. Mahatma Gandhi once said, prayer is the key of the morning and lock of the evening. With this quote in mind, we will thank God for its blessings and guidance by reciting the universal prayer followed by the prayer song. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from all evil.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
भारतस्य प्रस्तावनम् अनैडा कथयति.
The preamble of the Constitution of India reflects the dreams and the aspirations of the people of India. Now I call Ishika to recite the preamble. Now I call Anaida to recite the preamble. To recite the pledge.
School attention. Kindly stretch your right hand forward and let's together say the preamble of our constitution.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Order.
धन्यवाद अनैडा.
Thank you, Anaida.
अस्माकं जीवने सुविचारः अत्यन्तम् आवश्यकम् अस्ति. अतः अहं ऋषिं सुविचारं वदामि.
A single thought can ignite great actions. Now I call Rushil for the thought for the day.
दिने व्यायामं कुरु च सफलता मिलति. Every day's hard work is a guaranteed success. I repeat, दिने व्यायामं कुरु च सफलता मिलति. Every day's hard work is a guaranteed success.
धन्यवाद ऋषिल. प्रत्येकदिनं स्वकीयं महत्त्वं भजते. अस्य दिनस्य महत्त्वं तनुश्री वदति.
Every day has its own significance. Now I call Tanushri for the significance of the day.
संस्कृतभाषा अस्माकं भारतदेशस्य प्राचीना भाषा अस्ति. संस्कृतभाषा सर्वभाषा न जननी अस्ति. संस्कृतभाषा देवभाषा अस्ति इति मान्यते. संस्कृतभाषा सुरसा सुबोधा सरला च अस्ति. Sanskrit is the oldest language of ancient India. Sanskrit is the mother of all languages. Sanskrit is considered to be the language of the gods. Sanskrit is charming, lucid, and easy to understand.
धन्यवाद तनुश्री.
Thank you, Tanushri.
सर्वाणि वस्तूनि परिसृत्य वर्तमानपत्रम्. अस्मिन् दिनस्य वार्ता आर्णा श्रद्धा च वदति.
News keeps us aware and updated. Now I call Arna and Shraddha for the news headlines.
Suprabhatam, Antarashtriya Samacharah. Good morning. International news. China deshasya Lineshine namakah Mahavega Sanganaka Vishwasya Drutamaha Vega Sanganaka iti Goshitah. Saha Navintame Pankashatam Kramaniken America deshasya Pramukam Sanganakam iti Vartitan. China's Lineshine has been ranked the world's fastest supercomputer, overtaking the leading US system in the latest top 500 rankings.
राष्ट्रीय समाचार भारतदेशे राष्ट्रव्यापी जागरूकता अभियानैः सह मादकद्रव्यस्य दुरुपयोगविरुद्धम् अन्ताराष्ट्रीयदिवसः आचर्यते. India observes International Day Against Drug Abuse with nationwide awareness campaigns.
क्रीडा समाचारः स्पोर्ट्स् न्यूस्. क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डोः शतसु फीफा विश्वकपेषु कृतवान् प्रथमक्रीडकः अभवत्. सः पोर्चुगलस्य 5-0 विजये 2 गोलु अकरोत्. अनन्तरं सः उक्तवानः अहं पुनरागतः अस्मि. Cristiano Ronaldo became the first player to score in 6 different FIFA World Cups. He achieved this by scoring twice in Portugal's 5-0 win over Uzbekistan and later said, "I'm back."
स्थानीय समाचार मण्डलस्थ विभागेन अस्मिन् रविवासरे 5 वर्षेभ्यः न्यूनानां सर्वेषां बालकानां टीकाकरणार्थं विशालः स्वास्थ्य अभियानः आरब्धः. बालकान् स्वस्थं स्थापयितुं सम्पूर्णं क्षेत्रं पोलियो मुक्तं कर्तुं च अस्य अभियानस्य उद्देश्यम् अस्ति. Local news. The District Health Department has launched a massive health drive to vaccinate over 1.4 lakh children under the age of 5 this Sunday. They are setting up 576 booths to keep our region completely polio free. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
धन्यवादः.
Thank you, Anna and Shraddha.
प्रत्येकशालायाम् एकः प्रमुखनायकः अस्ति. अतः अहं प्रधानाचार्यं बुद्धिमान् वचनं साझा कर्तुं प्रार्थयामि.
A leader is orderly who leads the way. He inspires, motivates, and guides us. One such leader is our Father Principal. Now I invite Reverend Father Johnson L. Sikwara to speak his inspirational words.
Good morning, dear staff and students.
Good morning, Father Principal.
Suprabhatam.
Suprabhatam.
Okay, how are you all today?
We are fine, thank you, Father. How are you, Father?
I am also fine, thank you. Today we have the morning assembly in Sanskrit language, and we have 14 students from grade 9C conducting this particular assembly. Sanskrit is one of the world's classical language, and we have many Hindu scriptures written in Sanskrit, like Vedas, Upanishad, Ramayana, written in Sanskrit. We also know the Sanskrit is the language that has influenced other languages like Hindi, Kannada, Marathi. So we have rich heritage when it comes to Sanskrit language. And today you have made an effort to make us aware the importance of Sanskrit as a language in our life. We sincerely thank all the 14 students of grade 9C for conducting today's morning assembly, and we thank their Sanskrit teacher, Ratnakar sir, and all the music teacher who have trained them for today's morning assembly. Let us appreciate them with a thunderous applause. May God bless us all.
धन्यवादः प्रधानाचार्यः.
Thank you, Father Principal.
इदानीं दिनं वयं सर्वे सभायाः अन्ते स्मः. तथा अहम् अभिरामः.
We have come to the end of this assembly. This assembly was conducted by the Sanskrit students of class 9C under the guidance of Ma'am Ashwija and Sir Ratnakar. I, Abhinand,
च नवम्यां कक्षाम् आचार्य रत्नाकर, शिक्षकी आश्विजा च सङ्गीतशिक्षकः रोशन तथा एञ्जलिना मैम मार्गदर्शने सम्पन्नः. अतः वयं सर्वे स्वगृहगीता गायामः.
thank you. We sign off. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. School attention. Let's all join our voices and sing the house system song with pride and honor.
We of Opal House feel proud to have the color blue. Our motto is always to be organized and true. In heart and mind and deeds, true in school, at home or play. We promise to be spick and span and truthful in every way. We of Coral House feel proud to have the color red. Our motto is be cautious and kind of others, as is said. In heart and mind and deeds, true in school, at home or play. We promise to House feel proud to have the color green. Our motto is be just and willing to serve, we must be keen. In heart and mind and deeds, too, in school, at home or play. We promise to be here and show goodwill in every way. We of Amber House feel proud to have the orange hue. Our motto is be able and prompt and punctual in all we do. In heart and mind and deeds, too, in school, at home or play. We promise to be on the double and alert in every way. Opal, coral, jade and amber, all united, cheer a salute. Lourdes Central School, hooray!
Reach for the sky, you are the reason dreams can fly. Oh, Lourdes Central School. Oh.